Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2012 Chevy Equinox and I will show you the location of the exterior paint color code. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now this code can be very helpful in case you're planning to touch up your vehicle or paint part of the vehicle. You need a factory color code and it's located on a small sticker inside the glove box. I want to open the glove box. The turn flash on my phone and it's gonna be right here. BCCC stands for color code and this is my code U706S and your code will be right here as well. So once you have the code, you can give the code to the body shop that will be preparing your paint, or you can just buy touch-up paint based on that code. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.